Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to create a WhatsApp backup on the Motorola Edge 60. Okay, so let's begin. We need to open up our WhatsApp, and once we are here we need to tap on those three dots on the top right corner. Oh, I misclicked, sorry. Okay, now click on the settings. Now find the chats, scroll down a little bit, click on the chat backup, and now under the Google account we have our account that we are currently logged in, and on that account, which is selected right in here, the backup will be made and stored. It is crucial, so if you want to restore your backup in the future, you need to be logged in into the same account that you can see right in here, on which you choose, of course, not that one because it's mine, but yours that you select right here. Also, if you only can click on add accounts. Now wait a few seconds. In here, in this bar, simply type your other email or phone number. And also, if you want to create another account, click on in here. Okay. Below we have the automatic backups. Defaultly it will be set on off, just like that. But in here we have other options such as daily, weekly, monthly, or only when I tap backup. I suggest you should select maybe weekly or monthly. It is completely up to you. So that means that each week, in that case, the backup will be automatically made and I don't need to do this manually. So it's also a convenient and comfortable option that the backup will be automatically made. Below we have option to include the videos. Currently it's enabled, as you can see. So the 1 megabyte of the videos, in my case, is gonna be backupped. And on the bottom we have end-to-end encrypted backup. If you choose to turn it on, in here basically you create a unique password that you will need to type if you want to restore your backup in the future. So if you choose to create it, please don't forget it. Otherwise you won't be able to restore your chats. Okay, once everything is selected right in here, we need to click on this green button, backup. Now the process will start. In my case it's not gonna take that long because I don't have that many messages. Okay, the backup is successfully made. Above the button we can see on which hour the last backup was made and also its size. Okay, that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.